Hey there! Today I am going to walk you through exactly how to start an LLC in Texas, step by step. Whether you are just getting started with your first business venture or looking to properly structure an existing operation, I will show you both the simple, hands-off approach and the complete DIY method. Well, there are actually quite a few compelling reasons to set up your LLC in Texas. You see, Texas has one of the most business-friendly environments in the country. The state has no personal income tax, which means more money stays in your pocket. Plus, Texas boasts the second largest GDP in America and a diverse, growing economy that welcomes entrepreneurs across virtually every industry. The thing is, Texas also offers relatively straightforward filing requirements and reasonable fees compared to many other states. So if you are planning to do business in Texas or already live there, forming your LLC in the Lone Star State just makes good business sense. Now, let me show you the easiest way to get your Texas LLC up and running. I recommend using Tailor Brands, a professional LLC formation service that basically handles everything for you. Here is how it works. You simply visit their website, enter some basic information about your business, like your company name and contact details, and they take care of all the complicated paperwork and filing requirements. The cost breakdown is actually quite reasonable when you consider everything that is included. With Tailor Brands, you will pay $299 for their basic package, which covers all your state filing fees and preparation of the certificate of formation. Then, there is an additional $125 for registered agent service for your first year, ensuring you have a professional handling all your important legal documents. They also include useful extras, like an operating agreement template and compliance alerts to keep your business on track. On the other hand, if you prefer to handle everything yourself, here is a detailed walkthrough of the manual process. The first thing you will need to do is choose a unique name for your LLC. Texas requires that your name includes Limited Liability Company, LLC, or LLC. You can check name availability through the Texas Secretary of State SOS Direct system. Actually, the next crucial step is selecting a registered agent. This can be yourself, another individual, or a registered agent service, but they must have a physical Texas address and be available during normal business hours to receive legal documents. Then comes filing your certificate of formation with the Texas Secretary of State. The state filing fee is $300. You will need to include information like your LLC name, registered agent details, business purpose, and management structure. You can file online through SOS Direct or by mail. Now, while it is not legally required, you should definitely create an operating agreement. This document outlines how your LLC will be managed and operated. It is particularly important if you have multiple members, but even for single-member LLCs, it helps establish your business as a separate legal entity. The next step is getting your Federal Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This is basically like a social security number for your business. You can apply online for free and usually receive your EIN immediately. So, there are a few more things you will need to handle. Texas requires most businesses to obtain a sales tax permit if they sell taxable items or services. You might also need specific licenses or permits depending on your industry and location. You see, Texas LLCs must file an annual franchise tax report even if no tax is due. The first report is not due until after your first year of operation. Basically, staying on top of these requirements is crucial for maintaining your LLC in good standing. Well, if you are looking for the most straightforward path to forming your Texas LLC, I would definitely recommend going with Tailor Brands. They make the entire process incredibly simple and ensure everything is filed correctly the first time. Plus, their ongoing support can be invaluable as your business grows. The thing is, if you decide to go the DIY route, just make sure you are thorough and carefully follow all the state requirements. While it might save you some money up front, remember that your time is valuable too, and any mistakes could end up being costly to fix later. Actually, whichever method you choose, the most important thing is taking that first step toward establishing your business properly. A Texas LLC provides excellent liability protection and tax benefits while giving you a professional foundation to build upon. So, if you are ready to get started with your Texas LLC the easy way, just click the link in the description below to access Tailor Brands' special offer for my viewers. And hey, if you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more business tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new Texas LLC.